Hello everyone, I am Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. As I said in my previous video and live session, I am here to tell you about my new website where you can access mock tests and trainings for free. This is my YouTube channel where you can find videos regarding latest job openings and interview tips. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates on my videos. So without any delay, let's get into our website. So here is my website, which is vishwasworld.in. Here is the overview of my website. Make sure you get into right website, which is vishwasworld.in. However, I'll provide this website link in my video description. In home page, you will be able to see recent posts. As of now, these posts are empty. Once there is an update on this post, I'll make a video on it and post it on my YouTube channel. If you click on About Us page, you will see how we started this website and what is the reason behind it. If you wish, you can give it a read. As I said earlier, this website is completely free for everyone. Our motive is just to help people and spread happiness. Coming to category section, you will be able to access features like job updates, mock tests, trainings, lifestyle and entertainment. I'll try to discuss each one separately. Coming to job updates, there are two types of jobs which I'll be posting here, which is private jobs and government jobs. So in private jobs, each and every job I'll be updating over here, and I'll also make a video and upload it on my YouTube channel. And regarding government jobs, if there is any notification regarding government jobs, I'll be uploading posts over here and also make a video on it. So these are the few sample jobs which I posted here. If you open this link, you will see the job details over here where you can directly apply to companies. So the next section will be mock test. In this mock test, you will see English grammar, MCQ test, written version, voice version and aptitude. So each one I have categorized into multiple sections and sets. So in MCQs you will be having around 7 sets. As of now I have updated 7 sets where you can practice directly. And in written version you will be seeing typing, dictation, sentence completion, passage reconstruction and email writing. Once I update everything, you will see it here. So coming to voice version, you will be having reading, repeating, paraphrasing, storytelling and open questions. So in this I'll be uploading each and every section separately, and I'll also make a video on it. So coming to aptitude, so you'll be having personality questions, numerical reasoning questions, verbal reasoning questions and situational judgment questions. So each and every section I'll be uploading in this website and you can practice as well. If you want to move to some technical field, we'll also provide few technical trainings over here. In technical trainings, we will be helping you with programming languages, cloud computing and server administration. We'll make video on each and every topic and we'll upload over here. And we'll also help you with communication skill training and also career guidance. In career guidance, we'll be helping you with education and work related guidance. Coming to the lifestyle section, I thought of making vlogs and posts regarding different locations, places to visit and upload here, but I have to include all this information. Once I update, I'll inform you guys. You can directly visit my website and you can watch it here. And coming to the important thing, which is mock test. In this I have included 7 set of MCQ questions where you can directly practice. I have included all the instructions in the first page of MCQs, which in this you will see all the instructions about this test. You can directly click on the set 1 questions, and once you open this page, you will be seeing the instructions on top of this page. You need to complete this test in 10 minutes. You will be having 10 questions. After answering each question, you need to click next, or you can also see all questions at a time and you can answer. So read the question carefully and answer the question. If you select the wrong answer, you will be seeing a notification like this stating sorry, try again. You will have another chance to answer this question, but in real exam you will be not having chances. You will need to answer in one attempt. So if you go to the next question and if you answer it correctly, you will see the score stating that 100%, because you have not answered the first question in the second attempt also. So you need to go back and answer that question again, so that you'll know which answer is correct and which answer is wrong. So you need to complete these questions in this way. You need, after completion of this 10 questions, you will see the final score on top of the screen, stating how much percentage you have passed this test. In this way, I have included 7 set of questions where you can practice all these for free. Once completion of this, within 1 or 2 weeks, I'll be uploading voice version and written version practice test, mock test. So it will be easy for your interviews. So this is all about this mock test today. This is my website. Do visit my website and you can practice. You can share it to your friends. If you have any queries, you can contact me via Instagram, email, Facebook, or via Twitter. And also there is an option called post a query in the right side of this page. You need to submit your name, email ID, message, and send it, and click on send. So I'll be receiving email and I'll surely get back to you. So there is a subscribe to, you can also subscribe to my website, where you will be getting latest notification regarding my website. So here are the links for my social media websites. If you have not followed me on my Facebook or Insta or YouTube, you can directly click on these links. It will be redirected to my page, where you can like my page to follow me and to get more information regarding any updates on my videos. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, or you can also post a query on my website. I'll be glad to help you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.